In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do SEO on Wix websites with ChatGPT. Start by making sure you are logged in to both Wix and ChatGPT. In your Wix dashboard, choose the website you want to optimize. Then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, go to the page you want to improve for search engines. Now switch over to ChatGPT. Paste in a prompt that asks for a full on-page SEO pass for a Wix local plumbing services page, targeting the keyword emergency plumber. Ask for an SEO title under 60 characters, a meta description under 155 characters, an H1 heading, supporting H2 and H3 headings, and alt text for 3 images. Also ask for everything to be returned in a format that is ready to paste directly into Wix. When ChatGPT generates the content, copy the results. Then go back to Wix and open the page editor for that same page. Replace or update the main page heading with the H1 provided by ChatGPT. After that, add the H2 and H3 headings to the matching sections of your page so the structure is clear and organized. Next, open the page settings and go to SEO Basics. Paste the SEO title from ChatGPT into the SEO title field. Then paste the meta description into the meta description field. Save those SEO settings so your changes are applied. Now move on to the images. Select the first image on the page and open its image settings. In the alt text field, paste the first alt text generated by ChatGPT. Save the image settings if needed. Then repeat the same process for the second image and the third image, using the matching alt text for each one. Once that is done, review the full page carefully. Make sure the headings are in the right sections and that the content still reads naturally. Click Preview to open a test view of the page. Check that the headings, images, and overall layout display correctly and that nothing looks broken or out of place. If everything looks good, return to the editor and click Publish in the top right corner. After publishing, open the live page and review it one more time to confirm that your SEO updates are now live. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.